Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.